Hey friends, I recorded this day 0.5 so that you have an idea about the free 5-day lead challenge that Russell offers all the time, I guess, but you specifically want to take it before the One Funnel Away challenge so that you have an idea about how to find your dream customers before you get your deep dive into creating your sales funnel. You want to know who might be interested in the product you have to offer. So what you do is you start building an email list of interested customers before you've even rolled out anything else. And it's just a great way for you to know that there are people out there who are looking for you and looking for the product you have in mind. You want to reach out to your potential dream customers. Let them know that you'll deliver value for free initially. And you do that by learning what that process is all about in the free 5-day lead challenge. So you can sign up for that. Just click the link in the description so you can find it. It's free. Do the 5-day lead challenge so you can get those first customers going. You can get an idea. It'll give you a good head start and be a lot of fun before you get into the actual One Funnel Away challenge. Now, what is a lead? You might be thinking, okay, I'll do a lead challenge. What's a lead? A lead is a person, all right? A lead is a person. That is, you'll get that person in the form of an email address, but it's still a person, your potential customer, that person who is looking for a solution to whatever their problem is or their issue, or they just want to have fun and they want somebody to organize it for them. That's what a lead is. A lead is knowing who those people are and having an opportunity to reach out to them. So your leads are all your potential dream customers, everyone out there who's, potentially the person who's going to be interested in what you're doing. They might already have expressed an interest. They might have told you, hey, you're talking about such and such, and I like that idea. They might have liked or commented on your social media. Those are leads. They might have sent you an email saying, just to reach out, or followed your page, or asked you a question. The thing is, they want to know more, right? That's the big thing. And you want to need these people. Those are your customers. That's for your business. You always want and need these people who are reaching out to you, who are interested. So you want to start collecting those names now. And that's what those leads are. And that's what those emails are. So go ahead, sign up for the 5-day lead challenge. Do that before you start One Funnel Away. Of course, you can always sort of binge watch it later, but it's a good idea to jump in and learn what that process is all about. They're going to take you through this whole idea of leads, how to create a lead magnet, which is like a free product that you can offer for people. You create a lead squeeze funnel, so you'll learn some new terminology if you've never heard that before. Create a follow-up funnel so that you can always be reaching out to people who actually got your product, and make sure you launch that funnel and have it out there in the world. So follow the 5-day lead challenge training to create and distribute a lead magnet to your dream customers and start building your email list. And then you'll also see, when you're in One Funnel Away, sort of the pre-stuff before day one, there are the belief videos. They're really important. They'll help you, give you the confidence to believe that you have the ability to get your business started. I know that hits a lot of people who just sort of start to feel like, oh, it's not for me. I'm not that person. I'm not the entrepreneur. But you are, because you've come this far. You're interested. You want to do this. So go ahead and check out those videos as part of your pre-training leading up to OFA. So that means that you're going to have, now depending on when you're watching this, you've either got a little bit of time to do this or you got 5 minutes, but you're going to have your lead magnet, your lead funnel, your email sequence, and promotions. Like, you didn't even know you're going to have all this stuff already going out there towards your dream customers so that they know where to find you. It's not going to cost you anything. So as you know, in OFA day by day, I'm going to keep a running list of where, you might be spending money on different parts of the program, create your products and things like that. But the 5-day lead challenge is free, so you can sign up for that and get everything started for free. So that's where we are right now. Go ahead, sign up for the 5-day lead challenge if you haven't already done it. Or if you don't have any kind of lead magnet out there, if you're not already gathering your customers, if you have no idea what your business idea is, so you don't know what it could possibly be, okay, it's time to start thinking about that. Reach out if you have any questions. Contact Case at ReadyEntrepreneur.com or on all the socials. Find me at Ready Entrepreneur in a Case Lane World, and I will see you in day one of the One Funnel Away challenge, day by day.